You searched how to buy shares of Cementir Holding N.V. Cementir is a global cement and building materials company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker CEM.MI, and this video is educational, not financial advice. You need to use a broker to buy shares. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually have to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CEM.MI to find the stock. Select the result that matches the Cementir Holding N.V name and ticker. On the stock page, check the basic company information and view the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Make sure the displayed ticker reads CEM.MI and the issuer name is Cementir Holding N.V. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm your trade details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until it reopens, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade proceeds. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow this walkthrough.